Apple supplier teases future of Apple Watch with new health monitoring. Rockley Photonics, a main worldwide silicon photonics innovation organization, today uncovered its total full-stack, center-on-the-wrist, computerized well-being sensor framework. What you need to know. An Apple provider has today uncovered its new advanced well-being checking arrangement. Rockley Photonics center-on-the-wrist advanced well-being sensor can gauge blood glucose and then some. Apple is reputed to carry a comparable element to the following Apple Watch. Apple provider Rockley Photonics has today uncovered its new across-the-board center-on-the-wrist well-being sensor that highlights non-intrusive blood glucose estimating. In a public statement, the organization expressed, Rockley Photonics, a main worldwide silicon photonics innovation organization, today uncovered its total full-stack, facility-on-the-wrist, advanced well-being sensor framework. Rockley's sensor module and related reference plans for purchaser items incorporate equipment and application firmware to empower wearable gadgets to screen various biomarkers, including center internal heat level, pulse, body hydration, liquor, lactate, and glucose patterns, among others. Rockley's full-stack detecting arrangement includes a wristband that contains the sensor module and speaks with custom cloud-based insightful motors through a Rockley cell phone application. The wristband will be utilized in an arrangement of in-house human investigations in the coming months. Back in March it was accounted for that Rockley, which records Apple as perhaps the greatest client, had made expert sensors equipped for estimating glucose and even circulatory strain utilizing light, from that report. A future Apple Watch might quantify a client's glucose level just as their pulse by means of a non-invasive strategy because of expert sensors made by a UK startup. Rockley Photonics as of now has sensors like those utilized on the rear of Apple Watches sold all throughout the planet, but on the other hand it's chipping away at something that is significantly more competent, as per a Gadgets and Wearables report. Rockley Photonics records Apple as perhaps the greatest client. Production Network reports back in January have likewise recommended that the Apple Watch Series 7 could highlight a similar innovation. Apple's present Apple Watch Series 6 is the best Apple Watch right now accessible and can assist clients with checking their blood oxygen levels. While there's no assurance a future Apple Watch could in fact receive this innovation, the reports are out there and Rockley's declaration today demonstrates the innovation is currently promptly accessible to Apple.